So in this video we're going to look at another circuit that makes an AND gate and gets us a little more familiar with the NPN bipolar junction transistor. So both transistors are off. The output, which is the LED in this case, is off. We have one of four states right now because we have two inputs and both inputs are low. We can set one of them high, one low, and the LED stays off. We can put that back to low, set the other one high, and the LED stays off. So that's three states that we tried. Now we'll do the fourth situation we can have. Both inputs are high now. The jumpers are to the 5-volt supply. Both transistors are on. So now the LED is on. So now this is an old diagram. I added some stuff I normally don't add in videos of this part of the series, but it's good to review it. So in any case, I'm using 2N3904 NPN bipolar junction transistors. In this video, this is the pin layout. Emitter to the left, base in the middle, collector to the right. When you're looking at the flat side, if you're using a different transistor, you may have a different pin layout, but you have to make sure the pin goes to the right spot according to the schematic. So collector, base, emitter, as you can see there. And hopefully people add a part number to help you pick a good transistor. So in any case, we have the emitter for both of them going to ground right there, so that when current can flow, a tiny bit of current to the base and down to the emitter, that lets a lot more current flow from collector to emitter. But here we got two of them in series. So this one, you can get a little base to emitter to current even if that one's off. But if this one's off, you won't get any base to emitter current because that transistor's off. So you can waste a little current if you make a circuit like this if that transistor stays on all the time. But in any case, when it should be whole circuit's off. But in any case, if both of these are conducting a little bit, we got a lot of current that can flow through the collectors of the two of them and they'll be on. So that's just kind of a quick review. So hope you enjoyed.